Alright, what is up, boys and girls? As always, welcome back to another video. I'm your host, Crypto Maximalist. Thank you very much for joining me today. Really appreciate all the support on the channel as always. Please do make sure to like and subscribe, leave a comment, let me know what you think. Really interested to hear your opinions on what's going on in the crypto space currently. As we can see, taking a look at Verasity here on the daily time frame then. Just another little daily update for you on what's been going on recently. If we take a quick look at the local area here, if I can actually stop pressing all the wrong buttons, that would be absolutely fantastic. And then you'll actually be able to see what I'm talking about here. There we go. So as we can see, really not that much going on over the past week or so. We have just been consolidating and grinding under this Fibonacci resistance at the 038 here. With our swing high up at around a 1/9 of a cent there. You can see we did just come up and close above this previous swing high in this little descending wedge formation that we did see. Obviously the big pump here, descending wedge, and then the breakout back test, and now we're getting that continuation up towards that technical target, which I did speak about at that 618 Fibonacci level at around 2 cents there. Obviously we do need to still tackle that 1 cent psychological resistance of this swing high here, which is the last swing high in the local area that we did see. But you can see we're kind of starting to do something like this now, where we've clearly bottomed out and we're just kind of forming a little bit of a bullish pattern here, obviously coming down and retesting this previous swing high, and then obviously back test, and then we'll probably see a break and continuation like this going into the next few months, etc. of the bull market. I do think with the bull market approaching, as I said, we've been quite bullish recently in the markets, but we could still see some more retracement and consolidation basically. Obviously people have been saying there's a excuse me, people have been saying there is a bearish divergence in this local area here, and that is probably fairly accurate to say, just like we did see back here, and then we saw this big retracement. So you could see maybe a retracement, like a deeper retracement like this, back down to the 023 Fibonacci again for Verasity. But I do think a lot of people are going to start loading up in this the lower we go, now that we've seen a clear pivot in the market overall. You can see obviously for Verasity here, we had that big bearish downtrend which we did break. We've actually back tested into this area back here, which is essentially just this huge area of structure and consolidation, as you can see, with a kind of swing high here. I mean, I think if we do reasonably break out from this level here and back testing continue, safe to say that we've probably bottomed out for Verasity, but we could still see a bit more consolidation at this low of this overall trend to the upside. You can see we've got this big channel that's been holding ever since Veracity's inception 3 years ago. You can see here we came down, we double back tested this area, well, triple back tested it really if you count this double here. We obviously ran up in the previous bull market, we formed this double top, the slight overextension here with the big bearish divergences, massive long painful bear market. We come down pretty much perfectly back, bounce at this level here to gratify and glorify this big uptrend that we've seen in this channel. Back test, extension. We come down, we back test, and we back test again, and we are starting to get a bounce here, and people are looking for that extension again, aren't they? Going into the next bull market, you can see if we look at the time, we could be looking at doing something like this, and then heading into 2025 in this area here. You'd hope that Verasity is going to be up above that all-time high, which is what a lot of people are predicting at around, what was it, 8.5 cents. Heading up into that 50 cents to $1 area is really where a lot of people are hoping Verasity will get to. I think this is very possible, especially considering that it's no longer really prohibitive from a market cap perspective, especially considering the new tokenomics updates as well. I do think Verasity is just looking really good in general. A lot of people, really scared about the local price movements on the 5-minute time frame or whatever, going, oh my god. But in reality, on the macro, I think this is looking very promising indeed. And just like a lot of cryptos, I mean, it's looking quite similar in terms of this area here, isn't it? This fractal right here, you can see pump, dump, pump, dump. Everyone's probably thinking it's over, and then all of a sudden, massive bull market, huge, ridiculous move. You can see here, massive dump, pump, dump, pump. We could have a dump again, everyone says it's over, and then another massive move just like this. I think in terms of a fractal, this would probably be fairly interesting to see. Where is that little... There's that little thing where you can essentially ghost... What is it called? Someone please give me some inspiration. I know it's here somewhere. You can essentially copy the price action and then paste it over. Oh, come on, I know it's here. Have I got it here? Have I got it here? I haven't got it here. I know it's here somewhere. I just can't see it, can I? But essentially, you can paste the price action of that previous area over the chart, so you can kind of see essentially what's going. Here we go. Ghost feed. I can essentially do this to this like this. I think, is this how you do it? I can't remember. Is this it, ghost feed, or is it the other one? There's one where you can just like literally copy bars pattern. Is it this one? Yes, it is. There we go. So basically we're doing this, aren't we? Essentially. Let me just copy this price action from here to here. Where's the high? Why is it not? There we go. So basically we're doing this, aren't we? And I mean, it's going to be probably quite scary how accurate this will be. But you can see, obviously, with a little bit of extension, maybe we're looking something like this. You can see going up towards that 30-40 cent level there. If we did a similar fractal to the previous go at it that we've had here, you can see we are just consolidating in a similar way. In reality, you know, coming down, back testing, coming back up, and then we'll get that break and continuation in the next bull market, I think. But overall, I do think things are looking pretty tasty for Verasity. I do think this is going to be a very, very good next few years. Obviously not financial advice at all, but my bags are packed on a lot of cryptos for the next few years, and it's going to be very interesting to see the ride. Can't wait to share it all with you every day, so make sure to check back every day for more videos. Like and subscribe, get involved, leave a comment, and I'll catch you in the next video. Cheers.